All right, so get ready because today we are going deep into something pretty mind-blowing.
Yeah.
You've probably heard of it. Quantum entanglement,
Right.
the spooky action at a distance
Yeah.
where two particles are linked across vast distances.
Yeah.
But what we're going to explore today is how this quantum phenomenon
Uh-huh.
intersects with Islamic principles.
Yeah, it's a fascinating connection.
Right.
That might surprise many people.
Yeah.
While they seem like worlds apart,
Sure.
there are some remarkable parallels between this seemingly chaotic quantum realm
Okay.
and these profound spiritual insights of Islam.
Okay, so let's start with this concept of oneness.
Okay.
I know it's central to both entanglement and Islamic thought,
Uh-huh.
but help me unpack that a little.
Sure.
How does the idea of unity manifest in each realm?
Well, in quantum entanglement, you have two particles,
Okay.
possibly light years apart,
Wow.
that are so intimately linked,
Okay.
they behave as a single entity.
Wow.
Measuring the state of one instantly affects the other,
Yeah.
regardless of the distance.
It's like they're two parts of a single whole,
exactly.
even when physically separated.
Yeah.
And in Islam,
Uh-huh.
there's the core principle of Tawheed,
Right.
the oneness of Allah,
Yes.
and the unity of creation.
Exactly. Tawheed emphasizes that everything in the universe
Yeah.
originates from a single source,
Right.
a divine unity that binds all things together.
Yeah, and this interconnectedness is beautifully articulated in the Quran,
Yes.
in Surah Al-An'am,
Yeah.
where it says, not a leaf falls, but
Yeah.
that he knows it, and no grain is there within the darkness of the earth.
It's a really nice verse.
Wow, that verse paints such a vivid picture
Yeah.
of this all-encompassing knowledge linking everything. It's like a cosmic web
Yes.
where every point is interconnected.
Uh,
So we see this idea of unity in the spiritual realm,
yeah.
but wouldn't you say it also resonates with observations in the natural world?
Absolutely. Think about ecosystems,
Right.
where the smallest change can ripple outward
Uh-huh.
and affect the entire balance.
Wow.
Or how celestial bodies move in a delicate, interconnected dance across the cosmos.
Okay.
These patterns suggest an underlying order,
Yeah.
a harmony
Okay.
that hints at a deeper connection beneath the surface.
So could entanglement be a microcosmic example of this grand interconnectedness?
Absolutely.
Like a tiny clue hinting at a larger unifying principle at play in the universe.
Yeah. That's a very insightful way to look at it.
Okay.
And it leads us to another intriguing parallel,
Okay.
the concept of order within chaos.
Okay, break that down for me.
Sure.
The quantum world seems so random.
Yeah.
Particles popping in and out of existence, probabilities governing everything.
Right.
Where's the order in that?
Well, what's fascinating is that despite the seeming randomness,
Okay.
there are deterministic patterns at play.
Right.
Entanglement itself reveals a hidden order, a set of rules governing how those entangled particles behave, even across vast distances.
So even in the seeming chaos of the quantum world,
Yeah,
there's an underlying structure,
exactly.
a set of laws governing how things unfold.
Precisely. And this aligns with the Islamic teaching of divine decree,
Okay.
or qadr, which emphasizes that nothing happens randomly
Okay.
or without purpose.
Yeah.
So Al-Qamar states, indeed, all things we created with predestination.
Yeah.
It suggests that even within the apparent randomness,
Yeah.
there's a divine plan,
Right.
an intricate order orchestrating events.
So could we say that even those entangled particles, seemingly acting in a random way,
Yeah.
are actually part of a larger story?
It's a powerful way to think about it.
Yeah.
Entanglement could be seen as a subtle manifestation
Yeah.
of this larger design, of this
Okay.
concept of qadr,
Yeah.
where even the smallest particles are playing their part in a grand interconnected scheme.
Okay, my mind is officially bending a bit here. But if we're seeing this interconnectedness at the particle level,
Yeah.
it makes you wonder about its implications for us, for human relationships.
Yeah, this is where the concept of entanglement becomes truly fascinating.
Right.
If those tiny particles are so intimately linked,
Yeah.
what does that tell us about our own connections as human beings?
Right, especially in the context of Islamic teachings,
Yes.
which place a huge emphasis on community and our responsibilities to one another.
Exactly. There's a beautiful hadith in Sahih Muslim
Okay.
that says the believers in their mutual love, mercy, and compassion are like one body.
Wow.
It highlights this profound interconnectedness within a faith community, emphasizing how actions and intentions ripple outward, affecting the whole.
So it's like our actions,
Yes.
our intentions, our very beings are intertwined, like those entangled particles.
That's right.
We're part of this web where our individual choices can have ripple effects
Yeah.
far beyond what we might imagine.
That's a profound insight.
Right.
And one that invites us to consider the ethical dimensions
Okay.
of this interconnectedness.
Yeah.
If our actions truly have far-reaching consequences, then how do we live in a way that reflects this deep interconnectedness?
Yeah.
This sense of responsibility to the whole.
It's a question worth pondering.
Absolutely.
Especially as we delve deeper into this fascinating connection between quantum entanglement and Islamic principles.
And speaking of delving deeper, there's a mathematical framework that offers a unique perspective on this connection. Causal probability. Have you ever heard of it?
I'm familiar with the term, but could definitely use a refresher.
Sure.
Especially how it relates to all of this.
Well, causal probability, particularly Bayesian probability, helps us understand the relationship between causes and outcomes. It's a way of saying, if this happens, then that's likely to follow, based on prior knowledge and observed evidence. It's almost like a mathematical representation of cause and effect, wouldn't you say?
Okay, so it's like a formula for understanding how actions lead to consequences.
In a way, yes.
Okay.
And this connects back to the idea of quadra or divine decree.
Right.
While it doesn't imply a rigid deterministic universe, it suggests that events unfold within a framework of possibilities. A grand plan with a certain logic to it.
So are we saying there's a mathematical equation for destiny out there?
It's a fascinating thought, isn't it?
I mean, that's pretty heavy stuff.
If Bayesian probability can help us model how events unfold in the quantum world, could there be deeper mathematical principles at play in the universe that reflect this divine order, this concept of quadra? Perhaps these principles govern not just the behavior of particles, but the unfolding of events on a grander scale.
Okay, my mind is officially blown.
Okay.
But wait, there's more. I understand thinking about entanglement and Islamic principles isn't just an intellectual exercise. It can actually lead to practical solutions for some of the challenges we face today.
Absolutely. This interconnectedness, this awareness of unity and divine order should influence how we approach technology and problem solving.
Okay, give us an example. Like, how do you actually use this quantum spiritual combo in real life?
Imagine designing AI systems that are not just intelligent, but also ethically aware, embodying values like justice and compassion. Or developing healthcare solutions that consider the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. Recognizing that our well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of the whole.
Ooh. I like where you're going with this. So instead of just chasing technological advancement for its own sake, we're thinking about the bigger picture. Making sure our inventions actually align with a sense of harmony and balance, like what we see in nature.
Precisely. It's about moving beyond the purely materialistic view and recognizing that our actions have consequences that extend far beyond ourselves. And who knows, maybe by studying those entangled particles, we can glean insights into how to create systems that are more efficient, more sustainable, more in tune with the natural world.
Quantum-inspired solutions. I love that. It's like we're taking cues from the universe itself to solve our problems. But I have a feeling there's even more to uncover in this rabbit hole we've jumped down.
Absolutely.
We'll continue our exploration of what this all means for us and how we see the world in the next part of our deep dive.
Welcome back to our deep dive into this fascinating intersection of quantum entanglement and Islamic principles. Before we move on, I wanted to circle back to that idea of quantum-inspired solutions. We touched on earlier, it's not just a theoretical concept. There are real-world applications emerging from these very ideas.
I'm all ears. Give me some concrete examples. Like, how are these quantum and spiritual insights actually being put to use?
One area where we see fascinating developments is in quantum computing. Unlike classical computers that use bits, either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers utilize these things called qubits. Qubits leverage the strangeness of the quantum world, existing in a superposition where they can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously.
So we're harnessing the unique properties of the quantum realm to process information in a radically new way.
That's right.
But how does the spiritual dimension tie into this? I'm struggling to see the connection between qubits and Islamic principles.
It's about the underlying drive behind these advancements. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding the intricacies of creation are highly valued in Islam.
Right.
Quantum computing, in a sense, can be seen as a continuation of that quest.
Okay.
It's about pushing the boundaries of human understanding and exploring the very fabric of reality.
I see. So it's like a spiritual quest, driven by curiosity and a deep desire to uncover the hidden mysteries of the universe.
Exactly. And the potential applications are staggering.
Okay.
Quantum computing could revolutionize fields like medicine, material science, and even artificial intelligence.
Okay, let's talk about those breakthroughs.
Okay.
What kind of quantum-inspired solutions are we talking about?
Sure.
Give me the good stuff.
Imagine a future where we can design personalized medicines tailored to your specific genetic makeup, thanks to quantum simulations that can accurately model how drugs interact with your body.
Okay.
Or developing new materials with unprecedented strength and durability.
Wow.
Inspired by the way atoms bond in the quantum world.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Those are some game-changing possibilities.
Absolutely.
And what about AI?
Yeah.
How does entanglement tie into the whole artificial intelligence landscape?
One of the biggest challenges in AI is creating systems that can truly understand and respond to human emotions and intentions.
Okay.
Entanglement, with its focus on interconnectedness and this subtle interplay of influences, offers a fresh perspective.
So are we suggesting that by understanding how particles are linked and influence each other, we can build AI that's more empathetic, more in tune with the nuances of human relationships?
It's a bold idea, but one that researchers are actively exploring.
Okay.
They're investigating ways to incorporate quantum principles into AI algorithms, hoping to create systems that are not just intelligent, but also capable of genuine social and emotional intelligence.
That's pretty amazing. But let's shift gears a bit.
Sure.
We spent quite a while talking about the scientific and technological aspects.
Right.
What about the personal implications of all this? How can understanding entanglement and Islamic principles impact our everyday lives?
That's an essential question to consider.
Yeah.
I think one of the most profound takeaways is a heightened sense of interconnectedness.
Right.
Not just between particles, but between all beings.
So instead of viewing ourselves as isolated individuals, we start to recognize that our actions, thoughts, and even emotions have an impact on the world around us.
Precisely. This awareness can cultivate a greater sense of responsibility for our choices.
Right.
And a deeper appreciation for the web of relationships that connect us all.
It makes you rethink those seemingly small acts of kindness, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Maybe they're not so small after all, if everything is truly connected.
That's right.
Even the smallest gestures can create ripples, contributing to a more positive and harmonious world.
Absolutely. And that's where the spiritual dimension comes in.
Okay.
It's about recognizing that our interconnectedness is not just a physical phenomenon, but a reflection of a deeper spiritual reality, a unity that binds us all together.
So it's like science is providing a glimpse into something that spiritual traditions have been emphasizing for centuries?
Right.
This profound interconnectedness of all things, science and spirituality coming together to offer a richer understanding.
Exactly. And by embracing both the scientific and spiritual perspectives, we can gain a more holistic understanding of our place in the universe.
We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, from the mind-bending world of quantum entanglement to these profound insights of Islamic principles.
Yeah.
But I feel like there's still so much to explore. What are some key takeaways for our listeners to ponder as we wrap up this part of our conversation?
I think the most crucial takeaway is that science and spirituality aren't mutually exclusive.
Okay.
They can complement and enrich one another, offering a more complete picture of reality. Entanglement, with its mind-boggling implications, invites us to consider a universe far more interconnected than we ever imagined.
It's like science is pulling back the curtain, revealing a reality that's both awe-inspiring and deeply mysterious.
Yeah.
And by connecting these scientific insights to spiritual wisdom, we can start to make sense of it all, finding meaning and purpose within this vast interconnected cosmos.
Beautifully put. And perhaps the most profound question of all is this: if even tiny particles are linked in such a profound way, what does that suggest about the interconnectedness of everything, including ourselves? We'll delve into that and more after we take a moment to gather our thoughts.
Okay, we're back. And I have to say, the more we unpack this idea of interconnectedness, the more profound it becomes. It's like everything we do, even at the smallest level, is part of a much larger web.
Yes, and this brings us to another crucial concept that resonates in both quantum entanglement and Islamic principles, the concept of responsibility. In Islam, there's a strong emphasis on accountability for one's actions, not just in this life, but in the hereafter.
So it's like entanglement offers a scientific parallel to this spiritual idea.
Precisely.
Our actions ripple outwards, affecting the entire web of existence, and we're accountable for those ripple.
That's right. Entanglement reminds us that we aren't isolated individuals, but rather threads woven into a cosmic tapestry. Each choice we make, each action we take, contributes to the overall pattern.
I'm starting to understand why this idea can be both inspiring and a little intimidating. Knowing that everything's connected really does make you think twice about the choices you make, doesn't it?
Absolutely. It encourages us to live with greater intention, considering the impact of our actions, not just on ourselves, but on others and the world around us. This awareness of interconnectedness can be a powerful motivator for ethical behavior. For striving to create a more just and harmonious society.
And it goes beyond just human society, right? We're connected to the natural world, to the entire planet.
That's right.
Entanglement, in a way, reminds us that we're not separate from nature, but a part of it.
Yes. And that realization has profound implications for how we approach environmental stewardship. If we truly understand that we're interconnected with all living beings, with the air we breathe, the water we drink, the soil that sustains us, it changes our whole perspective.
It's no longer about saving the planet as some abstract concept, but recognizing that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the ecosystem. We're all in this together.
We are.
Quite literally on a fundamental level.
And that brings us full circle to the concept of unity. A concept central to both quantum entanglement and Islamic teachings. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of all creation. The oneness that underlies the apparent diversity of the world around us.
It's amazing to think that we started this deep dive exploring these tiny entangled particles, and it's led us to such profound reflections on unity, responsibility, and our place in the grand scheme of things.
It's a testament to the power of bringing together seemingly disparate fields of knowledge. By exploring the intersection of science and spirituality, we gain a richer, more nuanced understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit.
Well said. So for our listeners out there, I'll leave you with this final thought. If even the tiniest particles are linked in such a profound way, imagine the potential for connection or unity within our own lives. How might this awareness of entanglement influence how you interact with others, care for the planet, and view your place in this vast and intricate web of existence? It's a question worth pondering as we continue to explore the mysteries of our universe and the depths of our own hearts and minds. Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Yo, I'm kicking knowledge with the flow. Particles dance, man, they steal the show. Entangled truth is a cosmic glow. From the block to the stars, there's wisdom grow. Beatrices and ninjas, we all one tribe. In this universe, we all vibe. Toe it tight, keep the faith alive. Like a leaf in the wind, I let it ride. Quantum mechanics, defy that space. Distance don't matter, it's a sacred grace. Caught in the weed, watch me embrace. Divine design, yeah, we set the pace. Yeah, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangled souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. In the chaos, I see the order clear. Ain't no randomness, just a divine sphere. Purpose hidden, but it's always near. Condor in my heart, got nothing to fear. Human connections, we all reflect. Like that quantum glitch is perfect intersect. Prophet said it, so I feel that effect. One body strong, love must protect. Flexing on faith, play the cards I'm dealt. In the cosmic game, feel the hand I felt. Every step I take, that divine belt. Guard my soul tight, yeah, I'll never melt. Yeah, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangled souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Embedded ethics in the tech we build. Quantum rise up and our hearts get filled. Conscious creation, yo, we gotta be thrilled. With justice and love, our spirits distilled. Balling through life, don't lose the thread. Every little moment, yeah, I'm deeply fed. Balance in the worlds where the angels tread. In the macrocosmic, let the truth spread. From the streets to the heavens, I'm on my grind. Science
Science and faith, man, they both intertwine. Infinite wisdom, see it in the signs. Join the hustle, fam, we redefine. So remember, fam, in the cosmic dance, we all play a part, don't miss your chance. Quantum entanglement, we in a trance. When the thugs hard, we take that stance. Yo, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Yo, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. From the chaos, I see the order clear. Ain't no randomness, just a divine sphere. Purpose hidden, but it's always near. Conquer in my heart, got nothing to fear. Human connections, we all reflect. Like that quantum glitch, it's perfect innocent. Prophet said it, so I feel that effect. One body, strong love, mercy protect. Flexing on fate, play the cards of doubt in the cosmic game. Feel the hand I felt, every step I take, that divine belt. Guard my soul tight, yeah, I'll never melt. Embedded ethics and tech we build. Smiles up and our hearts get filled. Hard to rise up, yo, we gotta be thrilled. With justice and light, don't lose the thread. Every little movie I'll keep you fed. Balance in the world where the angels tread. In the macrocosm, let the truth spread. From the streets to the heavens, I'm on my grind. Science and faith, man, they both intertwine. Infinite wisdom, see it in the signs. Join the hustle, fam, we redefine. So remember, fam, in the cosmic dance, we all play a part, don't miss a chance. Quantum entanglement, we in a trance. When the thumb's hard, we take that stance. We're through the chaos, I see the order clear. Ain't no randomness, just a divine sphere. Purpose hidden, but it's always near. Pondering my heart, got nothing to fear. Human connections, we all reflect. Like that quantum glitch, it's perfect innocent. Prophet said it, so I feel that effect. One body strong. Yo, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Yo, kicking knowledge with the flow. Particles dance, better steal the show. Entangle truth, there's a cosmic glow. From the block to the stars, there's wisdom grow. Beatrices and ninjas, we all one tribe. In this universe, we all vibe. Totally tight, keep the faith alive. Like a leaf in the wind, I let it ride. Quantum mechanics, defy that space. Distance don't matter, it's a sacred grace. Caught in the weave, watch me embrace. Divine design, yeah, we set the pace. Yo, we fighting in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Yo, in the chaos, I see the order clear. Ain't no randomness, just a divine sphere. Purpose hidden, but it's always near. Contour in my heart, got nothing to fear. Human connections, we all reflect. Like a quantum glitch, perfect intercept. Prophet said it, so I feel it effect. One body, strong love, mercy protect. Flexing on faith, play the cards I've dealt. In the cosmic game, feel the hand I felt. Every step I take, that divine belt. Guard my soul tight, yeah, I'm never melt. Yo, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Yo, drinking knowledge with the flow. Particles dance, man, they steal the show. Entangle truth, there's a cosmic glow. From the block to the stars, there's wisdom grow. Your truths and ninjas, we all one tribe. Into this universe, we all vibe. Tongue tight, keep the faith alive. Like a leaf in the wind, I let it ride. Quantum mechanics, defy that space. Distance don't matter, it's a sacred grace. Caught in the weave, watch me embrace. Divine design, yeah, we set the pace. Yo, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Embedded ethics in the tech we build. Quantum rise up and our hearts get built. Conscious creation, yeah, we gotta be thrilled. With justice and love, our spirits instilled. Falling through life, don't lose the dread. Every little moment, yeah, I'm deeply fed. Balance in the worlds where the angels tread. In the macrocosm, let the truth spread. From the streets to the heavens, I'm on my grind. Science and faith, man, they both intertwine. Infinite wisdom, see it in the signs. Join the hustle, fam, we redefine. So remember, fam, in the cosmic dance, we all play a part, don't miss your chance. Quantum entanglement, we in a trance. With a thumb's heart, we take that stance. Yo, we vibing in the quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game of chess, ain't no neglect. Spiritual Spiritual hustle, we get that respect. Yo, we vibing in a quantum, let's connect. Entangle souls, man, what you expect? Life's a game, but just ain't no neglect. Spiritual hustle, we get that respect.